Welcome to linuxhelp.com. Today I will show you how to install and configure Quick CMS on CentOS 8.1. Quick CMS is a freeware, simple, and multilingual content management system helpful in your website management. It offers plenty of options. Some features are very easy to set up, mobile versions based on flat files, very easy to customize, and good support via emails, no limit pages depth, no limit images per pages, and more. So now let's proceed with the installation process. Now install Apache server. Now loading packages. Installing the packages. It's completed. After the installation of Apache, I will start its service. Make it enable. Check status. It's active and running. Now I will install PHP Nuts module. Yes. It will take some time. PHP is downloaded. Now I will download Quick CMS using wget command. It's downloading. Now I will unzip it using unzip command and save it to a file. -D. Now move this Quick CMS file to Apache root directory. Change ownership for that file. Change permission. Now create a virtual host for Quick CMS. Now restart the Apache service. Now move to your browser. Now type your domain name here. This is the welcome page for Quick CMS. Now go to your admin page. Type your email. Give password. Accept license agreement. Login. This is the admin page, administrator panel for the Quick CMS. Now this is the procedure how to install Quick CMS on CentOS 8.1.
If you like it, please subscribe to our channel, and also to watch more tutorial, please visit our website www.linuxhelp.com, and if you have any queries, mail us to support@linuxhelp.com.